Hello everyone, this is Lucian Willocks. This is a quick tutorial on how to take partials in the various Think Markets platforms. That includes Think Markets web-based, Think Markets desktop, MT5 web-based, and MT5 desktop. So we're going to start with the Think Markets web-based platform, which is I've already got a trade on. You can see right down here, I've got my position. What I need to do to take a partial is I click on this X, and you'll see it brings up this window. All I need to do is change this to whatever amount I want to actually close. I click partial close. You'll get your tone that tells you the trade was executed. And as you can see, I had 0.05, it's now 0.03. So it closed 0.02. So that's how you take a partial on the Think Markets web-based platform. Now we're going to jump over to the MT5 web-based platform. And in order to take a partial on here, we're going to click on modify position. We're going to change our volume here to 0.2. And we're going to click on close. It says order placed. And now you can see my volume is 0.03. So that is how you change it on the web-based MT5 platform. Let me go through that again. So if I take this down to 0.01 and we do, you know, then we click OK, and now it's 0.02. So we took off 2 the first time, we took off 1 the next time. Okay, now we're going to switch screens. Give me 1 second. We're going to jump to. Okay, now we're looking at the trading, I'm sorry, the MT5 desktop platform. And in order to change this one, you're going to want to highlight your position. This happens to be Forex. You're going to right click and you're going to go to, where is it? Where is it? Close position. There we go. You're going to have your volume here. You're going to change that to whatever you want to take off. I'm just going to go down to 0.20. So you can see that it has changed that. And then you're going to click close position and it's going to sell 0.2. And now you can look at your position and you can tell that you've got 0.3. We started with 0.5. Okay, next we're going to jump over to the Think Markets desktop. And this is the last one that we will be taking a look at. So you've got your order down here. You can right click and click partial close. Sorry, when I say right click, I mean on the position down here that I already opened previously. So I'm going to right click, partial close. I'm going to change this to roll some of that off. And then I click close. As soon as you get your tone, you can see it was 0.03. Now it's 0.02. So there you go. First one was the MT5 web-based. The second one was, I'm sorry, the first one was Think Markets web-based. The second one was MT5 web-based. The third one was MT5 desktop. And the fourth one was Think Markets desktop, which they call Think Trader. Hope this is helpful and happy trading.